Creating a space where our community can learn, connect, and break bread together.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. We're here at the St. Petersburg Coliseum Ramadan Iftar, and I work for the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office. We have several ladies. They seem to have disappeared. Come here. Come here. I love. This is Miss Freeman. She attends it every year, and we always have a great time.
Interfaith Iftar, where the Muslims, Christians, Jews, Mormons, Catholics, and others came together, more than 800 people at the Coliseum here in St. Petersburg, Florida, to observe the fast breaking and to also come together as people of faith.
Ever since I've come here to become the minister, I look forward to it. I look forward to the speeches. Our denomination believes in the right of everyone to worship as according to their beliefs, and we think that in this culture sometimes we're taught who to fear, we're taught who to hate. And in this country, often it's Muslims.
The St. Petersburg City Iftar dinner. I think this is an amazing experience to get together with so many different community members from different walks of life and celebrate faith, celebrate the Muslim community, and just celebrate one another.
The food is great, the people are great, we learn a lot, even the non-Muslims, they learn a lot, and it's really a great event. So thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
I've been to a number of these interfaith iftars, but I must say that this is the best one yet by far.
We stand with the Muslim community against Islamophobia, against any kind of hate from other Floridians, and we will continue to do that.
USF students, we work to greet guests and also manage the Kids Zone, so it's a great way to just get involved and appreciate one another.
La ilaha illallah.